Okay, so check this out, man. I just put something on the Ville TV page about what's all these trumpet noises going on. And I want you to hear right now what I'm hearing outside of my studio. So I'm going to check this out. Here, let's go outside. Ready? Alright, we're outside now. We're going to go over here. There. Holy crap, can you hear that? Listen. Do you hear that? Look, I'm telling you, listen. Oh. Strange and interesting, yeah? I heard them when I was in there. So listen, no, they're still going on. You can hear them. I don't understand what's going on here. Okay, I thought it was a big hoax or whatever. Big bunch of garbage. But thank God I didn't lock myself out of the studio. Thought I did. So I got the light adjust. Anyway, it's out there. Listen, I can hear it. Okay, that's all I got.